Actually skin care kit which is called a radiance kit. This is specifically designed for 25 plus skin with a range of product that works layer by layer. Okay, so we have given a very beautiful satin pillowcase because it is also very good for your skin and hair health. So it reduces oiliness, it reduces aging, it reduces hair friction, so hair fall also reduces. So here first we have a rose face wash powder which is made with 100% natural ingredients, no preservative, no artificial fragrance, and this we have used a special rose essence which helps in moisturizing, anti-aging, removing the pigmentation, opening the pores, and also gives mild scrubbing. So this can also be used for kids and babies above 1 year. You can also use as a body wash. So all you have to do is take one pinch in your hand and apply 2 drops of water and massage. So it will give you a foam. The second product is a toner, which is the color is because of the hibiscus. So we have used pure hibiscus extract with pure rose essence. Again, it reduces the oiliness, it balances the pH of the skin, and it opens the pores. So vitamin B3 goes inside. So it goes to the fourth layer of the skin. We have certain natural penetration enhancers which helps us to go inside the skin, and vitamin B3 is like the godfather mother of skincare because it helps in pigmentation, aging, everything that you need. Hyaluronic acid actually doesn't work. This works. So this works as a second step. So it is basically preparing your skin to receive the treatment. So the third product that will be the vitamin C portion. So it is a serum. So here we have used around 5% of vitamin C with essence of rose and lavender, and it also has certain natural penetration enhancers. So now your skin is ready. Now this goes to the second layer of the skin and works as a brightening agent, okay, as a treatment. So your under eyes, patches, so it is level 1. So this is for treatment. Once you have done the treatment, now your skin has to close. So this is a prebiotic day cream. So we have used a prebiotic called inulin, which is from tamarind, and essence of hibiscus. Now this vitamin C serum will come in a very simple gel form, and all the products, little goes a long way. So this much is enough for your entire skin. It will be very non-sticky and it will absorb in a minute. So it basically goes inside and creates a thin layer within the cells. This will be a day cream. Again, if you see, the color will be little pinkish. So this is because of hibiscus and prebiotics. This also has lot of other vitamins and proteins which protects your skin, because abhi treatment ho gaya, the next step is for you to protect your skin. So this protects your skin on the top. Iske upar you need to apply sunscreen. So now this will moisturize, and you can see the textural difference within a immediate result. You can see in the texture. Even with the toner also, who wants to try? No, hairless hand we need. Texture ke liye. You can just massage it and you can see the difference in texture. But as soon as it dries, you can just check. You can see both the hands texture. So it gives you immediate closure, skin closure. And this is our most famous night potion, which has coriander essential oil and a blend of very well calculated blend of oils. So this helps in pigmentation removal. If you have dark patches, under eye patches, skin regeneration, anti-aging. So this is like the godfather. So the way you feel aloe vera, this is a must and should, no matter what age you are. Above 20 is a must. So this is a very thin oil. You need only 1 pump. You apply it in the night, and this is actually a magic serum, I would like to call. You apply it in the night, morning just wash your face with water, you will have the brightest face. And here also we haven't used much fragrance. It has coriander essential oil and certain essence which makes it very, very, very potent. And this is a very special scrub that comes inside. This is a very unique scrub because it has a lot of shea butter, and the scrubbing ingredient what we are using here is hibiscus. This is pure hibiscus petals. So usually when you use walnut, apricot or such scrubs, the sizes are bigger. So when you scrub it, you feel dry, and we call it microdermal abrasion. That means you don't see it, but your skin tears. It's like if you take a glass and put sand and rub it, it will have fine cracks, right? That is what happens when you use walnut or apricot. But here, this scrub will never dry your skin. And this is excellent for detanning. And you can see the effect in one use. Sir, you would like to try. So, hindugade. See, now you can see there is a difference. So you need only little. You rub it, apply very little water. So when you apply water, it will foam. So it will start foaming when you massage. So this again can be used for kids especially because of tanning effect. It doesn't harm the skin. Very, very, very moisturizing. Pass the tissue. And this also you can see the effect in one use itself. Regularly if you use, it will protect your skin from further tanning. See, more than tanning, we would like to call it as sun protection, because today the sun is becoming so harsh. Many people are experiencing skin cancer because the skin is not protected. And above 25, the skin goes through a process of dehydration. So dull skin is different, dry skin is different. So anybody can have oily or dry skin, but all the skin is dehydrated because inside our cells, water retention is lower. Hyaluronic acid only works on the top layer. See, a hyaluronic acid is like a magnet. One molecule can hold 1,000 molecules of water, but it cannot penetrate inside and hold water. So that is why when we created this kit also, we made sure that each product is working on a specific layer of the skin and targeting a certain issue, so that it is balanced and maintained. Can you show your hand? Can you see the texture difference in the skin? So tanning will also go. It will become softer, smoother also. So can you touch and feel the difference? See, you can actually hear how rough his other hand is. So the purpose of creating this kit is not just saying that thank you to your loved ones, but also giving a message that it's time to take care. And when they are using all 6 products one by one, a person is spending at least 5 minutes in a day on self-care, which is very, very important. So when you start taking care of yourself, everything else in life falls into place. That is, my belief system, and everybody also, I think today going into spirituality, gratitude, we also believe that, but I feel that we also need to take care of ourselves. So this kit is for that purpose. You spend time on yourself, appreciate your skin, take care of your skin. So that's the reason this kit was created.